வணக்கம். So I am A. Moidin Kutti, DGM Mechanical, working here for past 40 years. So I had a very good experience in mining equipments. Initially we are working with other machines. So when Kobelco interacted with us to procure, after purchasing that machine, when the machine is working, it was working with high speed and economy fuel, and reliability also found very good. So now our machines are crashed almost more than 20,000 hours and working fine. Then machine performance and service support also find very good. We are happy with the Kobelco team for this good productivity and trouble-free operations. So it is very happy moment for us to enhance the production in our machines by Kobelco machines. Kobelco is working good and good service and trouble-free operation and reliability also. So we can operate with less cost to the company. 2 lines we are having, and Arilur plant also 1 line is having. So all the 3 lines are given protection by these Kobelco machines only.